Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your network setting or the internet connection settings in your Windows 11 PC. So if you're having problem with your internet connection in Windows 11, this is one solution to solve the problem. So first of all, you just need to go to start menu, then go to the settings option. Then in the left corner, you'll find the option called network and internet. Then you need to scroll down and click on this advanced network settings. Then here you will find the option called network reset. So this will reset all network adapters to factory settings. Click on it, and here you will find the option network settings, network reset. Click on the reset now. Then you just need to click on yes. And after that, this will show you a prompt where you need to shut down your PC and then again restart your PC. You may need to connect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet again to see if the network connection is working. So that's it guys. This is how you can reset your network settings in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.